Today we will combine the progressive muscle relaxation technique and the meditation technique. With the use of these two techniques, we will achieve your goal to sleep better. Good evening. This is your moment, a space just for you to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your body. Today we will practice progressive muscle relaxation, a simple and effective technique to relieve tension and prepare you for a peaceful and restorative night's sleep. Find a comfortable place. It can be your bed, a sofa, or an armchair. The important thing is that you feel safe and welcomed. Close your eyes and allow yourself to be here now. Meanwhile, imagine a place, an environment, an important moment in your life. Now, we will begin the process of tensing and relaxing the muscles. Choose a muscle group. Let's start with the feet. Inhale and contract the muscles of the feet, squeezing them for 5 to 10 seconds. Exhale and release completely. Notice the feeling of relief that arises. Feel the difference between the state of tension and relaxation. Meanwhile, imagine a beach where you are alone. This is a place just for you, a place where you can relax, where you can connect with your inner self. Let's slowly move up the body. Now, tense the legs. Inhale, contract, hold, exhale, and relax. Feel the weight of your legs dissolve. Move on to the abdomen. Inhale, contract, exhale, release. Then the arms, the shoulders, the neck, the face. Each part of the body deserves attention. With each cycle, you get closer to deep rest. Meanwhile, imagine a happy moment in your life, a moment of achievement, a moment where there is only room for happiness, a moment where you are with the people you love the most. In this happy moment, there is no pain, no stress, a special moment for you, no schedules, no obligations, just you and that feeling of spiritual peace. Now that we have gone through the body, bring your attention to the sensations. Notice how tension transforms into lightness, how the body responds to care. You are learning to recognize the signs, to distinguish effort from surrender. This knowledge is yours and can be accessed whenever you need it. Enjoy your new moment of peace, lightness, freedom, and free yourself from all the weights that hold you to the ground. Feel free and imagine that you can fly. Imagine that you are flying over the mountains, over the clouds, and that yes, now you have this power to rid yourself of all the weight and be free to be at peace with yourself. At this moment, there is nothing you need to do, no goal to achieve, no worry to solve. Just be present. Accept each sensation, each thought that arises without judgment. And imagine they are clouds passing through the sky of your mind. You watch them and let them go. Acceptance is the first step to deep rest. Just leave all your problems behind. Now, this is your moment. There are no problems, no stress, no pain. There is only the feeling of lightness, the sensation of flying. Feel the sound of the wind. Listen to the sounds, the sound of the waves on the beach. Smell the salt in the air. Now imagine that you are lying outdoors. Imagine watching the clouds. Imagine the blue sky on a beautiful sunny day. The clouds are passing before your eyes and you imagine shapes for the clouds. Give each cloud a shape of a cat, a horse, whatever shape it may be. Just imagine, feel the wind caress your face, hear the sound buzzing in your ear. This is your moment, the moment you have learned to find from today onwards. Now there is no pain and no worry. All your stress is left behind. You are free, as the chains bound to your feet have broken. Your body is light, light enough to fly. Relax. Enjoy this moment of peace. The practice of progressive muscle relaxation becomes more effective over time. Each session is a learning opportunity. Your body is relearning to relax. The mind is discovering paths to calmness. Even if today you do not feel complete relaxation, that's okay. You are training a valuable skill, and each time you practice, you get closer to serenity. Now, let the silence envelop you. Feel the body heavy, surrendered to rest. The breathing remains gentle, the heart calm, the mind serene. You are ready to cross the bridge between wakefulness and sleep. Allow yourself to fall asleep lightly. May your dreams be gentle. Good night and see you tomorrow.